Welcome to this first in a series of 7 modules exploring the ISTE standards for coaches. These modules were developed by experienced coaches from Advanced Learning Partnerships for the School-Based Technology Specialists in Fairfax County Public Schools. Whether you are a new or experienced coach, or just thinking about becoming a coach in Fairfax County, we know your days are busy and packed full with people pulling you in many different ways. For that reason, the goal of these modules is to give you an opportunity to explore the ISTE standards for coaches in light of your own experiences and needs. They include short activities you can complete at your convenience, as well as links to enrichment ideas for those who want a deeper dive. It's expected you'll spend about an hour with each module, and you don't need to spend all that time at once. As you explore each standard, you'll hear from and hopefully make connections with other SBITs in Fairfax County. You should also create some resources that should be immediately applicable in your role as a coach. Whenever possible, videos and podcasts are available for download or streaming, in case you want to take your learning on the road. Let's get started with the first ISTE standard for coaches, Change Agent.